Hello everyone. Today I will be telling you the reported speech. So here are general rules regarding changing direct and indirect speech. So first is change in reporting verb direct, indirect. Say oblique says. If the sentence is without object, then in the indirect speech we have no change. Next is says to oblique says to. If after the say to or says to the object and the indirect speech will be changed into tell or tells. Next is said without object, indirect speech will be no change. Next is said to with object, the indirect speech will be changed into told. For example, she says, I am quite well. While making the indirect speech, reporting verb will be changed. No change. She says. Connective is that. I will be changed into she. Am is she is quite well. Next is Geeta said I am ill. Geeta said. Connective is that. I will be changed into she. Was. Am will be changed into was verb because the reporting verb is in past tense. So the reported verb will be changed into past tense. Was ill. Now second rule is change in reported speech. So rules for change of pronouns. Persons, subjective pronouns, possessive pronouns, objective pronouns, reflexive pronouns. You have to make this table also in your notebook. First, in the first person pronouns, subjective pronouns are two. First, I and we. Possessive pronouns of I is my oblique mine. Objective pronouns me. Reflexive pronouns is myself. Second is we. Possessive pronouns are. Objective pronouns us. Reflexive pronouns is ourselves. Next, in the second person, subjective pronouns you. Possessive pronouns your. Oblique yours. Objective pronouns you. Reflexive pronouns is yourself oblique yourselves. Next, in the third persons, subjective pronouns he. Possessive pronouns his. Objective pronouns him and reflexive pronouns himself. She. Possessive pronouns her oblique hers. Objective pronouns her. Reflexive pronouns herself. Next, they. Possessive pronouns their oblique theirs. Objective them and reflexive themselves. So students, here are one rule that SON bate 1, 2, 3. First person change according to the subject. Second person change according to the object. And third person never change. Now next is miscellaneous changes. While changing the direct into indirect, we have to use these miscellaneous changes. So first is today will be changed while making the indirect speech in that day. Tomorrow will be changed the next day. yesterday will be changed the previous day, last night the previous night, next week the following week, tonight will be changed into that night, this, that, these will be changed into those, here, there, now will be changed into then, come will be changed into go. Next is ago. Ago will be changed into before, thus will be changed into so, hence will be changed into thence, hither, thither, last week, the previous week, will, ya, shall, would, may will be changed into might, can will be changed into could, just, then, come will be changed into go. Next is rule third. While changing the indirect speech into the direct speech into the indirect speech, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is changed into the corresponding past tense. While reporting verb is in the past tense, then reported speech will be changed into the corresponding past tense. Remember this thing. Is MR will be changed into was were, has have will be changed into had, present indefinite will be changed into past indefinite, tells will be changed into told, do ya does will be changed into did, present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense, present perfect will be changed into past perfect, has oblique have plus been will be changed into had been, past indefinite will be changed into past perfect tense, told oblique did tell will be changed into had told, past perfect continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous, was were will be changed into had been. These tenses will be changed while reporting verb is in the past tense. Now see the rule fourth, which is the exception of rule third. If the reporting verb means before the sentence of the inverted commas, if the reporting verb is in the present indefinite or future indefinite tense, the tense of the verb of reported speech is not changed. For example, he says, this is the reporting verb, Ram is a foolish man, and the reporting verb is in the present indefinite tense, so the reported speech will not change. For example, he says Ram is a foolish man, he says connective is that Ram, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed, is a foolish man. Next is, if the reported speech expresses universal truth or habitual fact, the verb in it doesn't change according to the tense of the reporting verb. He said God is everywhere. This sentence is habitual truth. So while making the indirect speech, the tense of the reported speech will not change. So he said that God is everywhere. We can't say that he said that God was everywhere, because it is the universal truth. So we have to use here is. Next point is, if the reported speech expresses a past historical fact, the tense of the reporting speech doesn't change. For example, he said Ashoka renounced war after culling better. He said that Ashoka renounced war after culling better. Next is, if in reported speech had plus third form of the verb plus to infinitive or need not, would, could, might, must or to, there will be no change in the sentences while changing the narration. If we get had third form of the verb plus to and need not, would, could, might, must or to, we have not changed the tense. Sentence, he said I had never been to America. He said that I will be changed into he. He had never been to America. So students, I hope you must have some general rules regarding changing direct into indirect speech. So in my next video, I will be telling you the types of reported speech. So students, thank you so much.